Hi kids! Let's learn the alphabet, capital letters, with these cool flashcards. This is the letter A. A is for apple. Apple. B. B is for bee. Bee. C. C is for cat. Cat.
Meow.
D. D is for duck. Duck. E. E is for elephant. Elephant. F. F is for fish. Fish. G. G is for goose. Goose. H. H is for house. House. I. I is for igloo. Igloo. J. J is for juice. Juice. K. K is for koala. Koala. L. L is for lamp. Lamp. M. M is for mouse. Mouse. N. N is for necklace. Necklace. O. O is for ostrich. Ostrich. P. P is for penguin. Penguin. Q. Q is for queen. Queen. R. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. S. S is for snake. Snake. T. T is for toucan. Toucan. U. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V. V is for Valentine. Valentine. W is for Walrus. Walrus. X is for X-ray. X-ray. Y is for Yarn. Yarn. Z is for Zipper. Zipper. All right, we did it. We learned the whole alphabet, capital letters. Thanks so much for playing with me. I hope you had fun. I'll see you again next time. Bye!